Did I just blow English? Oh my god. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amara. If you're new to this channel, thank you for stopping by. Please, before you leave, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for joining me. I am so happy that you could make it. Thank you so much. Now, before we get into today's video, I want to tell you about Hand It Down. It is an online store where you can get affordable designer items. Please check Hand It Down on Instagram for your very affordable designer wears like Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing, ASOS, both shoes, bags, clothes, you name it, you can find it on that online store on Instagram. Please, it's on Instagram as Hand It Down. I am going to be leaving their handle somewhere here, so you guys please check Hand It Down. So now let's get into the gist of today. How to grow your channel in 2020. How to grow your YouTube channel in 2020. Like, these are 5 things I wish I knew when I started my YouTube journey, and I'm just trying to compile it here for you to know. These things I'm going to be telling you are not things that you must have watched somewhere. Everything I'm going to be telling you today, I didn't see it in any YouTube video. Or did I? No, I did not see it in any YouTube video. It was when I started researching and finding out different ways to promote my channel that I was like, okay, these are the ways to promote my channel. And obviously some other YouTubers reached out to me and they let me know this. So I'm just compiling these 5 different ways that you can promote your channel, 5 different ways you can grow your channel in 2020. Now, the first thing that you wouldn't know is Facebook groups. Oh my god. Oh my god. I wish someone told me earlier, as early as January, that I could promote my videos, that I could promote my channel via Facebook groups. Now, there are various Facebook groups that have over 100,000 members, and very active Facebook groups at that. Very active Facebook groups that you can promote your channel. But obviously these Facebook groups, they have rules and regulations, and for you to be able to advertise your channel, advertise your video, you have to go through their rules. But I wish someone told me sooner that I could promote on Facebook. Like, I just through Facebook groups, I just recently started promoting my videos on Facebook groups, I think a month ago, and I would like to say I think I joined like 3 or 4 channels, and my channel has been growing ever since I did that. So the first thing that will tell you, if you're a new YouTuber, if you're a small YouTuber, look for Facebook groups to join. Those are groups that can help you in boosting up your subscriber count, and also help you in boosting up your watch hours. Just go on to Facebook and type keywords like YouTube growth groups, or YouTubers groups, small YouTubers groups, and you see different groups come up. So please check that out. Now, another thing is WhatsApp groups, and to tell you the truth, WhatsApp groups have helped my channel a ton. Thank you, and shout out to Priska's Empire. She introduced me to like close to almost 30 of my subscribers are people that I've met through Priska's Empire. She's like a leader, let me put it that way. She has helped in bringing YouTubers together so they can work hand in hand to grow their channels, and not just grow your channels via subscriber count, but also by watch time, because at the end of the day, watch time is very important. So shout out to Priska Empire, and shout out to all the people that I have met through her. It's been nice working with you guys. Now, another way that you can grow your channel in 2020 is to make sure that you make trending videos. At the moment I am shooting this, Big Brother Naija is going on, and a lot of small YouTubers have become Big Brother Naija reporters. Now, I told myself that I was going to be part of those people, but man, like, I can't keep up. You have to be able to keep up for you to become a Big Brother Naija reporter. But a lot of people are making it. A lot of people are already getting their watch hour via being a reporter for Big Brother Naija. So basically what they do is they make commentary on Big Brother Nigeria every single day, and this helps their channel grow tremendously. So what is trending in your country? What is trending around you? Make videos around that subject matter, and trust me, your channel is definitely going to grow without you even stressing yourself. Now, another very important thing that people do not know is live streams. Oh my god, I never knew that live stream help in growing YouTube channels a ton. And when you're making your live stream, please don't make your live stream boring. It has to be interesting. This is a great way to improve your watch hour. I've been saying watch hour since, is because watch hour is so important to a YouTuber, because first of all, if you're a small YouTuber like me that is trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you know that watch time is everything, and so you can get that through doing live streams. Now YouTube, I've already said that you only have to you need to have 1,000 subscribers before you're able to go live on their platform. That is via mobile. You can go live with your laptops. That's, you can go live via youtube.com on web, but you can't go live with your mobile. And going live with your mobile is convenient and it is way easier. But if you're someone like me that can't obviously go live via your laptops, and you can't go live via your phone, a very nice way to make sure that you go live is using streaming apps. And the streaming app that I use that is very durable and works perfectly is called Streamlabs. I use Streamlabs app to go live on my YouTube channel, and I've not had any cause to complain. I've not had any cause to worry. So you can check out Streamlabs if you're thinking of going live on YouTube. The last thing that I'm going to say that is going to help your channel grow fast is definitely making friends on the platform. Now, YouTube, like every other social media, is that social media. Meet people, make friends, and once you're able to do that, you see that those friends you've made are going to come to your channel and they are going to subscribe to your channel. So the way you'd make friends on Instagram, the way you'd make friends on Facebook, the way you'd make friends on Snapchat, and so TikTok and the rest, those are ways you can also make friends on YouTube. Make friends and invite them to visit your channel. If they are interested in the sort of content that you're making, they will definitely subscribe because they want to support you. So these are the 5 different ways I feel, or 5 different things I feel you should do to help your channel grow exponentially. Did I just do English? Alright guys, so those are the 5 things that I have for you. I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. We all want to grow, we all want to make it on this street, and so put these 5 things I've said and let me know if it works for you. I really want to hear success stories about this. Check out my other videos on YouTube growth. Check out my other videos on understanding YouTube algorithm and YouTube analytics. It will definitely make things easier for you as you have begun your journey. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you got to this place, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Until I see you next time, bye bye.